5 career runs batted in. And he swings and lines a base hit and gives the Mets the lead. He shattered his bat, he lost his helmet, he dunked it into right field, and Colon has everybody smiling. The Mets lead 3-2.
No one has more fun playing this game than Bart. Fastball away, out of the strike zone by a foot. Almost becomes undressed as he swings at this pitch and somehow maneuvers it into right field.
It's an interesting color. And there goes the helmet. And Bartolo can only smirk and move away. Second strikeout for Norris in entertaining fashion.
Good slider. Helmet comes off. He tries to catch it with the backhand, almost like a Harlem Globetrotter play at this point. See it? Tries to catch it.
Lead twice in this game, and twice he's given it back. But he pokes one into left field for a base hit. Second hit of the year for Bartolo Colon.
For one of the best sliders the young Gonzalez has thrown all day. On the black, on the knees, doesn't matter. Bartolo Colon with a little passing wave of the ash bat gets himself a hit. Look at that form.
The corners are in against Colon. Middle infielders playing for a double play. And Colon hits it in the air, left center field. Over toward the gap goes Ichiro to make the catch, but Campbell tags and comes in with a tying run. Another RBI for the hitting Colts hero, Bartolo Colon, to tie the game. And Colon drives one to center field. That's a base hit, and it gets by Suzuki and rolls all the way to the wall. Wrecker scores. Colon jogs into second with an RBI double. The most exciting at bat in baseball. His second career extra base hit. And Colon drives in a run to put the Mets in front 2-1. Well, Colon pulls one to the hole, a base hit. Well, he has outdone his commitment for the season. He promised 3 hits. He now has 4. The Nats got a run off John Lackey in the first inning on a Ryan Zimmerman RBI double. And Colon bangs one up the middle for a base hit. Well, Bartolo Colon with a new career high, his 7th hit of the season.
I don't think any pitcher in a Mets uniform has gotten the crowd more excited when they get a base hit.
Colon rips one into center field. That's a base hit. Here comes Plawecki around third. The relay to the plate, not in time. Bartolo Colon with an RBI single. The legend of Big Bart only grows. His 8th hit, his 4th RBI, and the Mets lead 3-0.
Nice hit.